In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can split a cell in Microsoft Word. So you can see, and I want to split this cell. Let me select this, and I want to split it. Let me select this side rather, and I want to split this side. You can see the cursor here. So what I need to do is just select the particular cell, and I right click, and you can see split cell here, and I tap on that. So I choose 2, you get it, number of rows to be 2 and number of columns to be 1. So I can make this also 2. Good. So you see, this is the rows and this is the columns. That's it on how you can split a cell on Microsoft Word. If you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. It looks weird. I mean, making tables on Word, it's uncomfortable and weird. So let me revert it. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.